Alright, so I'm back in Bangalore right now, and look what's in here. This is a package from Viaterra, and they couldn't ship it to Trivandrum because of the time frames, as I had to travel to Bangalore, so it wasn't really possible in that short span of time. So they shipped it to Bangalore in my Bangalore's address, and I've got it right now. So let's unbox and see what's inside. This is going to be very useful for my monsoon ride. This monsoon ride is going to be pretty awesome, as this is 100% waterproof. Yes. Alright, so nothing fancy with the packing. This is the trail pack for Royal Enfield Himalayan. MRP is 2,499. Alright, so right off the bat, this is really nice, very appealing to my eyes, and it feels premium, to be honest. Yeah, so basically this one goes over here and the other one goes over there. Alright, so what you have in the tag is just the mounting instructions, and what is this? Viaterra reviews and stuff like that. And these are the products. They have tank bags, trail pack, jackets and everything. So, oh yeah, stickers. The reason why I don't have stickers on my bike is I'm saving up all the stickers for one day. Stay tuned for that. Alright, so this is the bag. You get velcro straps over here. This is how you're supposed to mount it onto the bike. And yeah, let's just mount this right now. I'll show you guys how to do it. So this is actually 100% waterproof, so you don't have to worry about covering this with an external water cover. Okay, so in order to install this, you'll have to remove these velcro straps, take it outside, this one too, and then you see this, you have to insert this into like that. Easy as that. Alright, now bring this strap and put it inside that, and then just tight that up and put it over there. Okay, so once that is done, you have this one. Nothing much. Go over to the front side like this, pull it again inside, and then that's all done. That's how it looks. Now this looks really good because this matches with this color, and yeah, that's really cool. And yeah, this is also reflective, so that's a part of a safety, I believe. So extra safety. And now we have the one for the left side. Again, same thing. Remove that, remove that, remove that, and you have this thingy. Insert it into this like that, and then same thing. Alright, for the upper one, same thing. Come this side, take that, insert it into that, and then yep, that's all. Now that's done too. Whew, that looks cool. My bike just looks badass right now. Oh yeah, I forgot to open it. What? I forgot. Alright, you have two buckles, one this side and one this side. Open that, and you have this. Now this is the reason why it's waterproof. You see that? It's a waterproof material all inside, stitched. What the? Oh, yo, shut up. So this can hold up to 7 liters. 7 and 7, it's 14 liters, which is really nice. Right now at the moment I don't have anything to fill in and demonstrate, but wait, hold on. But I'm gonna use this for whole of my Chikmagalur ride, Chikmagalur, Kudiremuka, Udupi, Gokarna. I'm gonna use it every single day and see how it's going with me, and I'll keep you guys updated about the user experience. Alright, you have this small compartment over here. This is waterproof too. You can store some important documents inside this, which is a really nice touch. You have it on that side too. And once you open it, you might be wondering how to close it. Pretty much easy. Fold it once and fold it once again, and then buckle it up. And if you want to place an order, just go to their website, link in description, and just place an order. That's all. Alright, so now it's time for me to go for a short spin with these trail packs. Let's go. Well, I have a couple of things that I can put inside this when I start my ride. I can put some chain loops, my tools, and yeah, things like that. So basically it's up to you. You can put anything in this which you really want to protect from rain. It's really nice to have additional 14 liters of capacity on your bike. And by the way, you can use this instead of jerry cans. We can you know, fill your petrol into some kind of a container and just put it inside this one. That's all. This looks much neater. Wait, I think I saw a trail or something. Let's go there. Okay, this is not a trail, okay. I'm gonna leave as soon as possible because I don't want those guys, you know, creeping up on me. I think this is like a private area or something. Leave. Oh, what's that guy doing in the middle of the road? Wait, what? That's weird, man. Alright, so look at that. Oh my god, that looks cool. So if you want to buy one for yourself, just go down to their website and order one for you. That's all. I'll put the links in the description. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'm very excited for my ride tomorrow. Hope everything goes well, and you guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.